Oh yeah, that's looking good now. I like it. That flag right there does not stand for government. It stands for we the people, folks. Yeah, antique saws. Okay, just came in from a walk outside. I wanted to tell you guys how you keep the fire going once you do get it started. It's real simple. You get one of these things called a electric bellow. Like, you know, when you wake up in the morning, the fire's been going all night. Like, well, shoot, what do I do? Well, you give it some more air, more oxygen, it'll pick right back up. So I put a little bit of wood in there, I have some nice hot coals. I'm grabbing my electric bellow right now, and I'll show you what I mean by the electric bellow. Now just sit back and relax, enjoy the warm fire, pull up the seat, get some hot cocoa, or coffee, or beer, or whatever you would like to drink this time of day. Enjoy the peace and quiet. It's almost like the Yuletide log. This is what everybody should be doing on a Saturday. Relaxing. Be thankful for another week of living. Oh! Oh, watch out for the bulbs! Y'all come back now, you hear?